The health minister during his daily COVID-19 update. In August, a memorandum issued by the Chief Medical Officer Dr. Narayan Singh stipulated that pregnant and breastfeeding women could be exempted from getting vaccinated against COVID-19. But according to the local health minister, that exemption is no longer applicable. The minister conveyed that a lot of myths have been bandied about regarding the vaccine's safety for pregnant and breastfeeding women, but new studies have confirmed that the vaccines are safe. There is nothing preventing this cohort of women from accessing the COVID-19 jab, Minister Anthony underscored, while highlighting that there continues to be a steady rise in the number of pregnant women contracting COVID-19.
Now, we have seen a number of cases of persons who are pregnant coming in with COVID-19. We have seen that at the Ocean View Hospital. We have seen that here at the Georgetown Hospital and at several of our other regional hospitals. And all of these women are unvaccinated. Some of them, luckily, would have a milder form of the disease, while others go on to have a very severe presentation of the disease. And in a few cases, we had to do emergency cesarean sections.
Earlier on, the minister made the announcement that the Pfizer vaccines will be available to pregnant and breastfeeding women. The minister made it clear that pregnant women and those who are breastfeeding will need to provide a vaccine card or a negative PCR test before they are allowed to enter a public building. He further noted that the only persons who will be exempted from taking a COVID-19 jab are persons who are allergic to the vaccines.
The need for an exemption is a very rare occasion. The only reason why you would get an exemption, there are probably two reasons. One is that if you have an allergy to one of the vaccines that we're using, then you can be exempted. And secondly, if the components of which the vaccine is made of, if you're allergic to one of those components, then you can be exempted. For most of the other medical conditions, almost 99% of medical conditions, it's not a contraindication for you to get vaccinated.
It was divulged that if a medical practitioner issues an exemption letter without the accurate medical information, then that practitioner will be placed before the medical council. Meanwhile, with regards to the country's ongoing vaccination drive, 365,274 adults, or 71.2% of that population, have received the first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, while 218,120 adults, or 42.5% of that population, have received both doses. Additionally, 25,510 adolescents, or 35% of the adolescent population, have received one dose of the Pfizer vaccine, while 14,367 adolescents, or 19.6% of that population, have received both doses. Reporting for the HGP 90 News, Kendell Richmond.